In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmerge cells in Google Sheets. Unmerging cells is useful when a header or block of data was previously combined into one large cell, and you now need each cell separate again for sorting, filtering, or clean formatting. I'll walk you through the exact process and share a few helpful notes so you know what to expect as you go. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Make sure you're in the correct tab where the merged cell lives. If someone shared the file with you, confirm you have edit access. You'll need that to make formatting changes. Next, highlight the cell you want to unmerge. Click directly on the merged cell to select it. You can tell a cell is merged when the selection spans across multiple columns or rows and behaves like a single block. If you need to unmerge more than one area at once, drag to include all the merged cells you want to fix, or hold Shift and click additional merged blocks. A quick heads up. When you unmerge, Google Sheets keeps the content only in the upper left cell of the former merge area. The other cells become empty. Keep this in mind if you're expecting text or numbers to fill every cell after unmerging. Now, go to the top menu and click on Format. This is where all the key layout tools live, including alignment, number formatting, and, in our case, merge settings. Hover on Merge Cells. Don't click yet. Just pause your mouse over that option. A small submenu will appear, showing choices like Merge All, Merge Horizontally, and the option we need for reversing a merge. Finally, click on Unmerge. Instantly, the previously combined cell splits back into its original grid of individual cells. If you had multiple merged regions selected, all of them will unmerge at once. If the result isn't what you intended, use Undo right away to step back. You can press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on a Mac, or open the Edit menu and select Undo. After unmerging, take a moment to tidy up the layout. Since the content remains in the top left cell of the unmerged area, you might want to adjust alignment, resize columns, or enable text wrapping so your data is easy to read. If your table depends on consistent headers for sorting or filters, verify that each column now has its own label again. And that's it. You opened your spreadsheet, highlighted the merged area, went to Format, hovered on Merge Cells, and selected Unmerge. You now have clean, separate cells ready for accurate analysis and formatting.